As part of the Civil Services Day celebration, the Government of India presents the Prime Minister's Award for Excellence in Public Administration. These awards were instituted to recognize, reward, and motivate districts and civil servants for outstanding work in public administration. The award highlights initiatives that have brought measurable improvement in the delivery of public services, innovative practices, and citizen-centric governance. Over the years, the scope has been expanded, now including district, state organization, and central ministries for exemplary implementation of flagship schemes, innovations, and effective governance models. Winners receive a trophy, citation, and cash reward, which serves not just as recognition, but also as encouragement for others to replicate successful practices. At present, the awards are divided into a few categories, including holistic development of districts, aspirational block program, and innovation in public administration. And further, under innovation category, there are 2 awards for state-level initiatives. This award seeks to recognize innovations at state level from state government organizations for various innovations in any field of administration. This year, on the occasion of 17th Civil Services Day, Ms. Nitika Khandelwal, District Magistrate, Tehri Garhwal, Uttarakhand, received the award for the Uttarakhand Government Assets Management System. The Uttarakhand Government Assets Management System, or UKGAMS, is a pioneering digital initiative to safeguard government land across the state. Using AI-powered change detection and satellite imagery and real-time validation, it helps departments track land use, prevent encroachment, and act quickly when issues arise. So far, over 66,000 assets have been mapped and more than 60 departments onboarded. The system has already monitored land worth 14,000 crore, detected encroachment worth 53 crore, and reduced grievance resolution time from months to weeks. By unifying data on a single web and mobile platform, UKGAMS ensures transparency, efficiency, and collaboration, delivering better land governance and benefiting over 1 crore residents of Uttarakhand. A true step towards data-driven, transparent governance.